Hi guys, my name is Ferdinand Risma and I'm a media buying specialist here in the Philippines. I run ads mostly for clients. I help them get more leads and sales through social media advertising, mostly Facebook and Instagram. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys a case study of how I helped a Korean barbecue online store generate six figures during pandemic. So, wag na natin patagalin pa and let's go to my laptop. All right. So, welcome to the case study. To give you guys a little bit of background, yung client na to is a Korean barbecue shop. So, basically, since pandemic yon, people can't go to, restaurants dahil close. Naisip nila na why not na they could, samgyupsal at home. Basically, they would deliver, the meats, the vegetables, all the other stuff. At saka yung parang portable na grilling. So, maganda siya na naisip ni client na ganon. And then, the next thing to do was just to find, the customers and to run ads. So this Korean barbecue store did not have a website. The only way to accept orders was through Messenger or call and text. Now we all know that Messenger ad campaigns are pretty cheap and are one of the best campaign objectives to generate leads. So what did we do? We launched and tested 1 to 2 ABO messaging campaigns with 3 to 5 ad sets with and three different ads in, but with the same ad copy. So on ad set and ad set 1 and ad set 2, we would target customers based on their interest. Like if you're interested in Korean barbecue, grilling, meats and stuff, food lovers, And then on ad set 3, we would stack the interest. Like let's say we would target people who are interested in food, Korean barbecue, food lovers, any interest. Well, we would stack them. We would use 5 to 10 interest on one ad set. Then on ad set 4, we would narrow down. We will target people who are interested in Korean barbecue. And then click namin yung narrow down, and then people who are also interested in grilling or meats, nagna-narrow down kami. And then for AdSet 5, naka-wide open. We will target everyone within their location, of course. Wala kami nilagay na interest or anything. Just open wide, broad, super broad. The next step was to, once the campaign launched, we would test namin yon 3 to 5 days. Yung campaign would spend at least 500 to 1,000 pesos per day. And then we terminated the ad sets that had crazy high cost per result, and then or ads or creatives that had medyo pangit yung um, results. Medyo mababa yung engagement, walang masyadong likes, comments, reaction, ganon. Then second, we duplicated the ad sets that had cheap cost per acquisition and tested a bunch of new interest and creative. The lead started converting and the store was generating sales with a few weeks of testing. So we were getting leads for as low as 4 pesos, 5 pesos. Meron din, of course, mahal na 19 pesos, 15 pesos. But we had to test everything kasi minsan sa cost per result na 19 pesos, 30 pesos, or 15 pesos, mas madaming bumibili kesa sa yung mura na 4 pesos. So, pinapabayaan namin, and we would just ask the client if marami bang customers na co-convert. Then, for the ad copy, after running a lot of campaigns for more than 3 years for different types of businesses, we discovered a simple but effective ad copy strategy. First is you would call out your audience. Then Of course, since sa kanila, we would like start the ad copy with attention Korean barbecue lovers, yung parang ganun. Meat lovers, food lovers. Then we would trigger their emotion. Are you craving for samgyup? Hindi ka ba makalabas dahil pandemic, close yung Korea, yung love mo na Korean barbecue store, parang ganun. Then, a little bit of benefits, social proof, scarcity and urgency to push out the sale, then call to action, of course. For the creatives naman, ad creatives is one of the key to having a massive success on your Facebook ads campaign. We do test a lot of ad creatives daily, and we found out that most of our winners are video ad type creative. So here are some of the best ad creative strategy that we pinaka number one talaga guys, user generated content. It's like native kasi to. Um, Parang native lang siya na video ad type, parang friends mo lang yung nakikita mo na post ng video, hindi siya para corporate feel na ad type. So people wouldn't skip the video. And then it adds social proof, of course. People will, customers will actually see that, people are already enjoying your food. Nakikita nila na, oh, marami na palang bumibili sa food nila, parang ganun. Then, project showcasing content. Maganda din to. Add video with huge headlines and color contrast, to stand out basically. Short and precise video works well. Nakita din namin na 15 to 30-second videos o GIFs, they work well talaga sa bagong algorithm. With these ad creative strategies, it allowed our client to reduce their cost per result and double their return and ad spend, which made them six figures in revenue. So total ad spend was 29,000 pesos. Total leads generated was around 3,500. Sobrang dami. And of course, hindi naman lahat bumili. But conversion rate for from those leads generated was around 7 to 10%. Average order value was 1,500 pesos. Yung package kasi ni ma'am was around 1,500 pesos for good for 3 to 4 people na yan. May portable grilling na with meats. I think around 2 to 1 kilo to 3 kilo, parang ganun yung kadami ng meats, of course, the veggies and stuff. And then kimchi, ganun. So, yeah. So yun yung ginawa namin sa kanila guys, and I hope may natutunan kayo and you were actually able to get value from this video. If meron kang tanong about Facebook ads and all, you can reach out to me or i-comment mo down below, and really like to get the feedback from you guys. And I'm also gonna put links from my Facebook page if you want guys need somebody to run your Facebook ads. Go ahead and message me. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna post more contents about how to run ads, tips and tricks and strategies sa bagong algorithm. So, thank you.